Hello guys, this is a solution for third waste management. The question number one is which of the following statement is true? The correct statement is plastic take thousands of years to decompose completely. On an average, plastic take 1000 year to decompose completely. So correct answer is C. Next question, which of the following is are some of the modification in plastic waste management rules 2016 from the earlier plastic waste management rules 2011. Minimum thickness of the plastic carry bag is kept at 40 microns only. This is false statement. Applicable to every waste generator, gram panchayat, local bodies, manufacturer, etc. Producer are the and brand owner are responsible for the waste generated from their products. So statement 2 and 3rd are correct. Correct answer is B. Question number 3, which of the following is the term that represent producers responsibility for the environmentally sound management of their product until the end of its life? The correct answer is extended producer responsibility. Question number 4, the non-recyclable plastic waste could be better managed by. The correct answer should be disposed onto landfill, but I am not sure in this question. Next question. According to the plastic waste management rules 2016, ensuring that open burning of plastic waste does not take place is the responsibility of local bodies in the gram panchayat. So correct answer is D, gram panchayat and local bodies. Next, according to the plastic waste management rules 16, which of the following is plastic procedure responsibility? Responsible for collecting bag, sachets or pouches within 3 months of publication rules producer shall work out waste collection system within 6th month of publication of rules producer shall apply for PCB registration. वैसे ये तीनों स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट हैं, ये सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है प्रोड्यूसर्स की, पर इन प्रैक्टिकल ये कभी फॉलो नहीं होती इंडिया में, ये भी इंडिया में फॉलो नहीं होती, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होना चाहिए विद इन 6th मंथ. सो करेक्ट आंसर सी. Next question. According to the plastic waste management rules 16, each plastic carry bag shall have which of the following information printed on? Name of the manufacturer, thickness of the carry bag, registration number of manufacturer, all of the above. Correct answer is D. Next question. Which of the following country paves the way to achieve zero avoidable plastic waste by the end of 2040? United Kingdom. The correct answer C. Next, which of the following bodies grant the certificate or of registration to establish a plastic carry bags manufacturing factory? Pollution Control Committee and State Pollution Control Board are the correct answers. So either A or C, whichever is applicable. Correct answer D. Next, suppose you are running a plastic recycle plant. After 1 year, you have renewed the validity of your registration certificate before it expires. What is the validity of your renewed registration? The correct answer is 3 years. 3 साल के लिए एक्सटेंड हो जाती है और इसकी एक्सपायरी डेट 1 साल से 120 दिन पहले रिन्यू कराना पड़ता है, 120 दिन पहले एक्सपायरी डेट के, तब ये 3 साल के लिए एक्सटेंड होती है. Question number 11. Plastic waste management rule 16 do not apply on to local governing bodies. Statement is false. Next, compositable plastic undergo degradation by biological process during compositing to yield CO2, CH4, NO3, NH3, H2S. Statement is true. Next, according to the plastic waste management rules 16, an entrepreneur who wants to recycle plastic waste commercially should get their recycling unit registered with a valid consent from a concerned regulatory authority. This is the true statement. Next, according to the Plastic Waste Management Rule 16, food grade plastic bag manufacturers can use any desirable synthetic pigments or colorants to color plastic bags. This is false statements. In according to Indian standard, we can only use specific colorants and pigments in food bags. Next question. As per Plastic Waste Management 16, plastic sheets of thickness more than 15 microns can be used for packaging or wrap to commodity. Yes, this is statement is true. According to Plastic Waste Management Rule 16, कैरी बैग के लिए 40 to 50 माइक्रोन्स की थिकनेस यूज़ करते हैं, पर रैप करने के लिए किसी कमोडिटी को हम कर सकते हैं 50 से ज़्यादा माइक्रोन्स का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So thank you guys.